Sadly, plastic pollution impacts nearly 700 species of wildlife. My Algebra 2 students have been studying the plastic crisis in order to come up with ways to lessen the issue. My name is Liz Eways, and I teach 3 Algebra 2 classes at St. John's College High School in Washington, D.C. For my first Nat Geo activity, I chose to focus on the growing problem of plastic pollution. I used the perils of plastic to inspire the first activity in a 3-day mini-unit. Students collected their plastic for a week prior to the first day. Then we used their totals to approximate how much our class would produce over time, as well as how much our class produced in pounds. We learned about the Great Pacific Garbage Patch and compared the believed weight of plastic in it to our own calculations. On day 2, students were given independent study time to explore one of 3 perspectives on plastic pollution. We concluded the unit with a discussion in small groups where students explained the main ideas of their chosen perspectives and collaborated to come up with ideas on how to reduce the problem. The students learned so much over the course of the week. Let's see what they have to say.
Plastic pollution is something that we really need to fix in today's world.
Why?
Because it pollutes our world and it kills the animals and the environment that we love and live in every single day.
What other impacts does it have on us besides killing the environment?
It's destroying the ozone.
Okay.
So where the sun is just having its rays of the earth at a higher rates and temperatures are increasing, which is helping to melt the ice caps. And that's killing our polar bears and not giving them a place to live.
What impact does it have on humans?
It's polluting our air, so making it harder to breathe in more populated places.
Well, since plastic is so convenient, I think it's going to be hard for us to move away from plastic, but what ways could we try to reduce our plastic consumption?
Not as many plastic water bottles.
What are some alternatives to plastic water
Paper
bottles?
alternatives.
Hydro flasks.
Hydro flasks,
Metal
reusable.
and glass water bottles.
Okay. What about plastic packaging for food? Any ideas for how we can get rid of that?
Chipotle does that, where it's now a paper bowl instead of like plastic bowl. It used to be.
Yeah, paper products are usually a lot easier to recycle. What's the problem with recycling plastic?
It ends up in the ocean.
It doesn't always go where it's saying it's going. And there's not much you can do to the same plastic that you keep recycling.
Plastic truly never, what's the word, disintegrates.
Yeah,
Could go in the ocean and the fish eat it and actually ends up hurting us because then we eat the fish.
right. Yeah, it definitely works its way up the food chain. Did you learn anything that makes you want to change your plastic consumption habits?
Yes, I think it does. I've learned a lot from just this experience and seeing like how much plastic we're using is just affecting everyone, not just ourselves, and it's really bigger than us.
Yeah, it eventually goes up the food chain, so it eventually hurts us.
Hurts us more than we think it does right now.
Soon there's not going to be an earth where we keep using plastic.
It hurts us, but it hurts our future generations.
My students and I have all grown so much through this experience. This certification program has taught me valuable skills for bringing my teaching mission to life. I now feel better equipped to give students authentic opportunities for finding ways that mathematics is meaningful to them. By studying the plastic pollution crisis, my students have come to learn that the skills we learn in math class can help them understand our planet and its issues more thoroughly.